we know, today we are supposed to discuss about the mole concept. But before I discuss about the mole concept, I want to ask you some questions. When you go to purchase the eggs in the market, how you are purchasing it? What is the way of purchasing? Do you weigh them or you purchase them by numbers?
Ma'am, by
Ma'am,
numbers.
By
numbers.
numbers.
And if you go to the market to purchase any kind of grains, how do you buy it?
And by weight,
By
weight.
weight.
By weight.
By weight. There are
by
some
measuring its weight.
there are some substances we purchase by the number, like eggs, bananas, oranges, isn't it? By 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen, is it? Then there are certain substances which we purchase by the mass. Now, what is the difference between the rice and the banana? Why we purchase the banana by dozen and rice by the mass?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
rice are very
because
difficult
Just
to
a moment,
count
just a
separately.
moment, just a moment, just a moment. Raise your hands so that I can ask. Okay, there is Vaibhav Agarwal, Aryan Jain. Okay, Vaibhav, you can give the answer. Next time it will be Aryan. Hanji, boliye. Yes,
Ma'am,
Vaibhav.
because rice grains are very small in size, so it is difficult to count them by numbers.
Yes,
And they are
definitely.
many.
As you know, now you can keep your hands down. So as you know that, Aryan, you can also give your explanation. Aryan, you can also give the explanation.
Ma'am, banana is countable while ma'am the grains are uncountable. So
Why?
ma'am, we can count banana and buy.
Because it is not possible to count rice by grain by grain. Because why? Because they are very small in number. But where there are the bigger quantities involved, like banana, eggs, which is easy to count, so we use the number. So to buy most of the things, we either purchase them by the number or by the mass. Is that clear? In this, so it
Yes.
is as per our convenience that how we purchase it.
Measure the
Okay. Yesterday I have discussed with you that how the coins are present in the bank in large number. So how they count them? How they count? Let me tell you.
Ma'am,
For example,
they weigh them.
they weigh them, because the number, if they go on counting the number, it will be cumbersome process. It will be totally different, difficult process. So what they do is they weigh them. Because you know, every coin has a fixed mass. Every coin has a fixed mass. So there is no problem in weighing them. And then once they found that in 1 kg, there are 5,000 coins of 5 rupees. Then 5,000 multiplied by 5. What will be the number? What will be the amount of money? If there are
25,000.
20, 5 paisa, 25,000. So if there is in 1 kg, there are 5,000 coins. If in 1 kg, there are 5,000 coins, then the total amount of money in 1 kg will be? How much will be the total amount of money? 5,000 into 5. That is 25,000.
20.
And as the kilos goes on increasing, they will then kilo. If there are 10 kgs in total, then what is the money? How much is the money? If in 1 kg there is 25,000. If in 1 kg there is 25,000, then in 10 kg multiply 25 by 10, you will get the number, isn't it?
Ma'am, 2,50,000.
Yes. So multiply it by number, you will get it. So it is somehow where it is not possible to count them by the number, so we weigh them. That is, what we tend to do is that as per our convenience, we just try to relate the mass to the number. We try to relate the mass to the number also in some of the cases. In the same manner, as you know, atom is very, very small. Is it visible to our naked eye?
No, ma'am.
If it is not visible to naked eye, so you can yourself judge that what will be the size of the atom. So there is large number of atom present in the substances. So it is not possible for us to count the number of atom. Then what can we do? We generalize the concept. Like mole is a concept of quantity in terms of number and mass. What mole tend to do, it tend to relate what mole tend to do, it tend to relate the mass of any material to the number of atoms and ions, right? What mole do is it relate the mass of the substance, mass of the material with the number of atoms, ions or molecule. Now what is mole? The question is that what is mole? Mole is the amount of substance which contain same number of chemical units, which is exactly present in 12 gram of pure carbon. Carbon 12. Mole is the substance. It is the amount of that substance which contain the same number of atoms, the same number of molecules, the same number of ions that are present in 12 gram of C12. Experimentally, we found that the 12 gram of C12, it has been experimentally found that the 12 gram of C12 has 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms. So we call this quantity as 1 mole. What we call this quantity as? We call it as 1 mole. All right. So what is mole? It is the amount of substance which contain same number of particles, ions, atoms, molecules, which is there in the 12 gram of C12. And experimentally, we found that the 12 gram of C12 have how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atom. So this number, this number, it is called as Avogadro's number. What is it called? Avogadro's number, and it is also called as 1 mole. If I say 1 mole of oxygen atom, 1 mole of oxygen atom has how many atoms of oxygen? Who is talking now? Please. Hanji. 1 mole of oxygen atom has how many atoms? Can anyone just tell me? 1 mole.
16.
No. Atoms. I am talking about atoms. Please read my statement. Please listen to my statement and then try to give me the answer. I once again say that 1 mole of oxygen atom. What do I mean by this? How many atoms? 1 mole of oxygen atoms. How many oxygen atoms? मोल में कितने particles होते हैं? How many is the how many particles are there in 1 mole? Yes. How many
Ma'am,
particles are there?
0.02.
Yes.
Ma'am, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23.
Yes. 1 mole contain 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. Now, if I say that 1 mole of oxygen contain how many atoms? Then how many atoms will be there in the 1 mole of oxygen? Come on, if 1 mole is 6.022, then how many moles, how many atoms are in oxygen? How many how many atoms are present in 1 mole of oxygen? Yes, give me the answer.
Ma'am, 6.022 into
Yes.
10 raised to the power 23.
Yeah, it is. Whenever we talk about 1 mole of any substance, it means that there is 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. If I say atom, then there is atom. Okay. Now, if I ask you one more question, please see to it on the board that what is to be asked, that 1 mole of H2O. Now, will H2O is a molecule or an atom?
Ma'am, molecule.
Molecule, very good. 1 mole of H2O is equal to how many molecules? Mole, dekho mole. 1 mole of H2O contain how many molecules?
6.022 into
Yes.
10 raised to the power 23.
6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecules of whom? Molecules of
H2O.
very good, H2O. Now, I will ask whomever I would like to ask, right? Yes, I once again say, Dolly, you can give me the answer for this question, that 1 mole of hydrogen atom have how many atoms? Dolly, देखो लिखते हुए कैसे लिखूंगी मैं, if nothing is written, no numeral is written, it represents how many atoms?
1.
1. But if 2 is written, then what is it?
2.
Then is it atom or molecule? Come on. You know, when 2 or more than 2 atoms combine, what is this called?
A molecule.
Very good. It will be, देखो, difference is only this, that if it is only single, then 1 mole of hydrogen, at this moment I am talking about atoms or molecule?
Atoms.
Atoms, very good. But if I write H2, then it will be molecule. So 1 mole of hydrogen atom contain how many atoms? Yes. How many atoms of 1 mole? 1 mole of hydrogen has how many
Ma'am,
atoms?
6.
Yes, Dolly. वैभव 2 मिनट सबको अटेम्प्ट करने दो. Yes, Dolly.
6.
6.
Point.
2. जल्दी बताओ ना. 6 point.
6.0.
हाँ.
22.
22 नहीं बोलते, 2
into
6.022 into 10 raised power
10 raised power 23.
23 क्या होगा? एटम होगा, मॉलिक्यूल होगा या आयन होगा? यहाँ पे देखो, ये क्या है?
Ma'am, atom.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या होंगे?
Ma'am, atom.
Atom, right? Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
let me see. Then there is Aditi Jain. Am I audible to you, Aditi? Am I audible to you, Aditi? Devyansh, there is so much of disturbance coming from your side. Mute yourself. Yes. Aditi, Suditi, Vartika, वैभव, वैभव ने तो आंसर कर दिया. शिवम जोशी, हाँ शिवम जोशी. If
Yes,
I write
ma'am.
down now H2, 1 mole of hydrogen, am I talking about molecule or atom?
Ma'am, it's an atom.
No. If it is single, then it is. Now there are 2 or more than 2 atoms. When combined, what it is?
Ma'am, now it's a molecule.
So now 1 mole of hydrogen has how many molecules?
Ma'am, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power
Yes.
23.
6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms or molecules?
Molecules.
Molecules. Very good. Okay. Siddhi Verma. Siddhi Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I write down 1 mole of NaCl. 1 mole of NaCl has how many? Will you be able to tell me the atoms or molecule? NaCl. Yes. If I talk about NaCl, it is a compound.
Ma'am, yes.
Then 6.0, it will be equal to, yes, Siddhi Verma.
6. It's 6.02.
22 into 10 raised power 23.
10 raised to power 23.
Yeah, molecules of
Molecules.
NaCl, right?
NaCl. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yesterday I told you if atomic mass is expressed in gram, what is it called?
Ma'am, gram atomic.
Yes, it is called as gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. And if it is called as gram atomic mass, and if if the molecular mass is expressed in terms of gram, it is called as gram molecule. If molecular mass is expressed along with the gram, then it will be called as,
Gram.
yes, gram molecular mass, right? Now 1 gram, yeah, 1 gram atomic mass, 1 gram atomic mass is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms, right? Gram atomic mass of any element. Gram atomic mass of any element is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms, right?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I ask you, what will be the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 hydrogen atom? Hydrogen atom. Mass of 6 point, ये relation लगाओ. And speak up. Now I said mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of hydrogen is equal to how much? What is the gram atomic mass of
Ma'am,
hydrogen?
gram atomic
Ma'am,
mass.
one.
What
Ma'am,
what is that quantity?
Ma'am, 1 gram.
1
Yes,
gram.
it is 1 gram. So we can say 1 gram of hydrogen is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Am I clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Like if I ask you that mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of oxygen, what will be it equal to? What it will be equal to? Mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of oxygen.
Ma'am, 12 grams.
32 kg.
नहीं,
32 ग्राम.
32 क्यों? एक एटम्स की
Ma'am,
हम बात
15
कर रहे हैं ना,
ग्राम.
हम मॉलिक्यूल की थोड़ी ना
Ma'am,
बात कर रहे
16
हैं. 15 क्यों?
Ma'am, 16.
हाँ, yes, 16.
16 gram.
16 gram. Because what is atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16 gram. So whenever we talk about oxygen atoms, whenever we talk about the oxygen atom, whenever I will talk about the oxygen atom, it means that 16 grams is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of oxygen. So 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms का जो mass है, that is equal to how many grams? 16. Now same.
16 ग्राम.
Okay, ये समझ आया? This relation, please write it down somewhere, that gram atomic mass is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of any element, right? Now, if I talk about a molecule, like oxygen molecule, O2, then will it be equal to the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass?
Ma'am, gram
Gram
molecular.
molecular
ग्राम
mass.
molecular.
If we talk about molecule, then it will be equal to the gram molecular mass. And yesterday I have told you how to calculate the molecular mass, right? If I ask you that mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecule of oxygen, what will be the mass?
Ma'am, 32 grams.
Very good.
हम 32 ग्राम.
32 gram. Why? Because molecular mass of oxygen is 32. ये समझ आया ये कॉन्सेप्ट या नहीं?
Ma'am, आ गया.
रिलेशन क्या है?
Yes.
मैं I will once again write down the relation. The relation is that how gram atomic mass is related to the number of atoms. This is expressed in this relation, that gram atomic mass is equal to what? Is equal to
हम
mass of, yes,
6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23.
23. Should I write atoms or molecules?
Ma'am, atoms.
Atom. And अब ये atoms किसी भी element के हो सकते हैं. Out of 118 elements, these atoms can be related with any. And it should also be related with the gram atomic mass of that substance. If we talk about hydrogen, then we have to write down the gram atomic mass of hydrogen. If we talk about oxygen, then oxygen. If we talk about carbon, then we have to write down the gram atomic mass of carbon, right? And next relation is that gram molecular mass is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. Now, should I write atoms or molecules?
Molecules.
Molecules. So, can you tell me what is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecules of water? What is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecules of water? How much is the mass?
18 grams.
Yes,
Ma'am, 18 gram.
yes, it is 18 gram. Now, is this relation clear? This relation relates atomic mass or molecular mass with the number of atoms, right? Okay. Now we are having another that's called as molar mass. What is that called? Molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of any material. Mass of 1 mole of any material is called as molar mass. Right? Mass of 1 mole of any substance, of any material, is called as molar mass. This is the mole concept. And now let me tell you, we have to solve certain numericals related with the mole, and for that we will require the different we are having the different expressions, that how can we calculate. Now by those, now let me write down those expressions. First, if you have to find out the number of moles is equal to mass of the substance in grams upon molar mass of the substance. Molar mass is gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, जैसा हमारे पास होगा. Okay. In order to find out the moles, we are having this formula, that is mass of the substance in grams upon molar mass of the substance. Right? Second formula is, in order to find out the number of molecule or number of atoms, what we need to have, we must get mass of the substance in gram upon molar mass into Avogadro's number. Same into Avogadro number. Mass of the substance in gram upon molar mass into Avogadro's number, if we want to find out the number of atoms or number of molecules. Right? Now, if I ask you to just let's start with the numericals.